Children, good morning. Dada Sham. Now, today we are doing in maths, page number 35, measures times, right? Now, in last lecture we have done how many squares in that perimeter. Now, everybody knows length of the boundary is called perimeter, right? Now, here, see. Everybody can see these are stems. Now, look at these interesting examples. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? Okay. Now, already it is written. See, 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Each square is of side 1 centimeter. Okay. Now see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, right? Now, so how many squares of 1 centimeter side A? So this is 18 squares, right? Now see. And stamp B. Now stamp B. This is your stamp B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write here 8 squares, right? Now which stamp has the biggest area? See, this was 18, this was 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So, from this all, stamp A has the biggest area. Okay. So, A. Now, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Now, stamp A has the biggest area. Okay. So, total 18. So, here, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Here again, 18. So, 18 squares it covers. Okay. Now, how 18? So, this was just 18 squares. So, you have to do length multiplied by breadth. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter multiplied by 1, 2, 3. 3. So 6 3s are 18. So we have done like this. 18 square centimeter. How much is the area of the biggest? Okay, this we have done now. So here also we will write here 18 square centimeter. Is it clear to everybody? Now see here. Which two stamps have the same area? We have counted this D, this is 12 and again this is 12. So D and F. Okay. Now which two stems? So D and F. Then how much is the area of each of these stems? 12 square centimeters. Length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3. So L into B, length multiplied by breadth, 4 multiplied by 3. The area of the smallest stamp is, this is smallest stamp is E, so it is 4 square centimeter. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp. Now biggest is 18 squares and smallest is 4. So difference. So 18 minus 4 is 14 square centimeter. Okay. So now turn your page. We'll come to next. See. Which has the bigger area? One of your footprints or the page of this book? Of course, this page has big area than your footprints, right? Then, which is the smaller area, two 5 rupee notes together or a 100 rupee note? Come on. So, a 100 rupee note has a smaller area because two 5 rupee notes, two. Then, look at a 10 rupee note. Is it area more than 100 square centimeter? No, the area of 10 rupee note is less than 100 square centimeter. Then is the area of the blue shape more than the area of yellow shape? See, this is blue and this is yellow, right? No, no, the area of blue shape is equal to the area yellow, right? Now, is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? No. See, this is one triangle, this is another triangle. Here also the same. The size of this triangle is the same. Here it is kept in square shape and here it is kept in this triangle. See, one triangle, one triangle. This other triangle it is kept here. So, now, no, the perimeter of the yellow shape is less. Okay. Now, I am going to give you the answers of this. Please write it down in your notebook. Tomorrow we will do this exercise. Okay. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Good day, Dada Sham.